Okay, so just to give you an update now, it's been about 3 days since I created that Facebook page. The domain name is ordered, and I just allowed it a bit of time because I just wanted to show you the results. This is around September 2017 when I'm recording this, and the cost of clicks are higher. This is a new Facebook page, so the clicks are coming in at a slightly higher price per click. And I've gone, as I showed you, Argentina. We've gone for both male and females that are interested in Ethereum, interested in Bitcoin, interested in different things like that. And let's take a look at the leads that we got, the links. Sorry, the links. So here we are, just to show you. So far, we've got exactly 70 likes, 69 this week. So that's pretty good. And if I head over to Facebook homepage and to my adverts manager, as it loads very slowly, of course. There we go. So we've spent, since we've started this campaign, I need to change these dates to the last 7 days just to reflect that. And it's just loading up now. And this isn't bringing the exact information here. If I move down, oh, sorry about that, technical problem. So if I change this campaign, just need to make the size of the page smaller. So here, if we go to engagement, sorry, delivery, what I'm trying to do is bring up how much has been spent. So that's exactly what I wanted to see. Is I have spent a total of $12.98, and we've got 70 leads. So that's coming in at about an average of 11 cents per link over the last 7 days. It's only been running for 3 days. So this just gives you an idea that for 10 cents a link, you're starting to build a fan base. Now, in the United Kingdom, when I try and build link campaigns for my clients that are coaching clients, for example, that teach people coaching, highly competitive market, we're talking about $1 per click or more easily. And if you go into the fields of dentistry or law that I've talked about previously, they can be much higher than that. This is Bitcoin, so you're in a fortunate position where the nature of Bitcoin, and I think it's really important for you to appreciate, is that when you're targeting third world country people, $1 a day can make a difference to their lives. $1 for me in the United Kingdom, the equivalent of $1, which is say a pound, isn't going to get far. You can't even buy a loaf of bread for £1 where I live in the United Kingdom, specifically in London. So it puts things in perspective, and you can probably buy bread for a fraction of that, a third or quarter in third world countries. It just shows you how expensive it is to live in my country. But this is where I grew up and know. But for people who live in different countries, Bitcoin, $1, $2, $5 a day, $10 a day, $20 a day is a lot of money. And you as an affiliate are possibly in the United States, or in a first world country. So it's just important for you to reflect on that for a moment and go, well, he's only this and that economically. Well, it's just third world reality. So I've got 70 people about 11. I think it averages out something like about 20 cents realistically per lead. So if you do 20 times 70, it's about $14, roughly where I was, a little bit less than that. And now I've got 70 people that every time I put a post, every time I share something on my business page, they're going to see it. Now, if I pay for my business page for them to see it, so if I spend for that particular post $1 to get it to 100% of my, in a month's time from now, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 people that are interested in Bitcoin that live in Argentina that are aged 20 to 40, and I say to them, hey, check out this Bitcoin game, or check out this Bitcoin new opportunity, whatever, we'll get into all of that, then you're in front of thousands and thousands of people, and yes, they may be spending less, but you're literally reaching out to such a wide berth of people that you can make income for years to come, which is what I expect this particular Bitcoin campaign, this project, this website that we're setting up together, will do for me. And you can copy it step by step, because Bitcoin's only beginning. If Bitcoin dies tomorrow, which I don't think it will, there's other currencies, Ethereum, Monero, etc. So I'm not going just for that Bitcoin name. I'm going for that alt currency earners club.com. I think that was the name I chose. So let's talk about that. Let's build the page in the next video. But hopefully you can see, as I continue to run my campaign, probably for another 3 or 4 days, maybe get 200 or 300 people through paid likes, from that, maybe probably about 200, and hopefully from there it will get seen by more people. I have Q set up right now, so, so let's take a look at that. Excuse me. Head back over to the page. So as we talked about earlier in the course, we've brought QUUU.com, I think it's spelled. You'll see the links, and through automation already my site has content, which is great. Not much content. We've got one article there, another article there, more will be added. And if I forget to do anything over the next week, 2, because I'm busy with other projects, dealing with clients and so forth, I have Q holding my back, and supporting me by giving out great value content. So if I give away, if I give away 2 weeks of great free content to the people, it's cost me nothing through Q, and it's hundreds of people, possibly thousands of people, and they're liking and they're sharing, or they're just seeing my brand. When I release a new piece of content that's essentially an offer, 2 weeks later, a week later, maybe every few days, I love the expression of talking about the 7 days in a week give 6 days of value, Monday to Saturday, and on Sunday sell. Many people try to sell daily, many people try to sell every 2 or 3 days. I have no problem with that, but the principle of it is, if you give when you make an offer. So you could basically have Q delivering 2 pieces of content, which is what they offer for free, every single day. I probably, in about a month from now, maybe sooner, we'll go to the $30 a month campaign, and have 6 pieces of content in my Facebook feed. But that's for another project to talk about the benefits of that. But if you're doing about 6 a day, that means that people from all around the world, in all different time zones, will see your content. People seeing it throughout the day, it will get value. So if they miss it, the one at 9, they'll see the one at 11, and then if they miss the one at 9 and 11, they'll see the one at 1, and maybe they see you multiple times in their Facebook feed. But the point is that you're giving, and when you do make an offer, they trust you, and that's the importance of that. So that's what I'm going to be doing in future as part of my strategy, is maybe once or twice a week making an offer where I manually go into Facebook and do that. So with that said, hopefully that was useful to you. Hopefully you followed everything I've shown so far, got your Facebook page up, chosen your domain name, and in the next video we're going to get the hosting connected.